What's up everyone? This is your boy El Jefe, and I'm back with another headphone review for you guys. So this week, we're gonna be checking out the TaoTronics BH040. Now, I always got people in my comment section asking me to try out the TaoTronics products, so here we go. Now, these guys run you right around $53.99 on Amazon.com right now, but there are some discounts to be had. Just hang on for a quick sec and I'll give you all that info. Now, before we go any further, and for full disclosure, TaoTronics reached out to me, sent over these headphones for me to try out, and to give them my honest opinion and feedback. Now, as you guys already know, whether a company sends me the product or if I buy it myself, I'm always gonna keep it 100% real with you guys and let you know whether or not it's worth your hard-earned money. So that being said, TaoTronics was also kind enough to give us a discount code, which I'm gonna go ahead and leave down in the description box below. It'll knock right around $9 off, bringing these down to about 44 bucks. Now that discount code is only good through September 30th, so if you guys want to save those bucks, make sure you guys jump on this offer soon. So with all that being said, let's go ahead and dive right in. All right, so let's get into the pros and cons of the TaoTronics BH040. First up, sound quality. Now these have some of the best sound quality on headphones that I've heard under 50 bucks. Are they my favorite? Are they the top? No, but these are actually pretty good. You've got some decent bass, you've got some really good mids, and some fairly crispy highs. So not bad. As far as sound quality goes, I'm gonna give these guys a 4 out of 5. Second, you've got the active noise canceling. Now the active noise canceling in and of itself definitely works. It does block out a lot of the ambient noise. Not gonna be as good as some of the stuff you find for $100 or $150 or even, $200 or more. But as far as the active noise canceling, it definitely works. Not only that, it doesn't kill the sound quality. It actually improves it a little bit. So let me tell you. So as far as when you turn that noise canceling on, you lose a little bit of the highs. So a little bit of that crispiness in the treble is gone. But they improve the bass. So you get better bass, you get better mids with the loss of a little bit of the treble. To me, that's perfectly fine. I turn the noise canceling on, the sound sort of improves. I'm all for it. So as far as noise canceling goes, they're gonna get a 4.2 out of 5. Third, you got the comfort. So these are an over-ear design with really generously padded ear cups, good padding on the headband themselves, and they're fairly lightweight. So as far as comfort goes, man, you can wear these for long periods of time. You're not gonna get super fatigued. You're not gonna have that ear fatigue or any of those issues. Not only that, they don't cause any discomfort while wearing glasses. So that's a major plus for your boy El Jefe. So as far as comfort goes, they're getting a 4.5 out of 5. Next up is your mic quality. So making phone calls, answering phone calls, and things like that, the microphone is actually pretty good. You're not picking up a ton of background noise. It's fairly good for what you're getting here. I'm glad that a lot of these headphone companies are taking that a little bit more seriously, and I'm starting to take that a little more seriously myself, because now I've realized that a lot of people, a lot of my viewers, a lot of my subscribers like to answer phone calls with their headphones. So as far as the microphone quality on these, it's actually not bad. So for the microphone, I'm gonna give them a 4 out of 5. Now, last but not least, let's talk about the latency or lag on videos. There isn't any. Watching YouTube, watching Netflix, Hulu, Facebook videos, videos on Twitter, whatever it might be, I haven't experienced any lag issues with these headphones. Now, just like I find with pretty much any other headphones, if I'm playing Pokemon, if I'm playing, Marvel Strike Force or, Asphalt or any of those other games, usually I have a little bit of headphone lag, but that lag is existent on all headphones. I'm guessing it's because of the games themselves, not because of the headphones. So as far as latency goes, they're gonna get a solid 5 out of 5 because as far as I can tell, there isn't any when watching videos, and that's what's most important to me. Okay, so as far as these headphones go, I only have one gripe with them, and that's volume. So for most people, these are probably gonna get plenty loud. For me personally, they get to about 80% as loud as I would like them to get. So basically, I wanna be able to get them so loud that it makes me uncomfortable, and then I can dial it back from there. Just in case there's music that's low, or maybe I'm watching a movie that has like quiet dialogue, something like that. I like to have that room. I like to have that space to be able to turn things up much louder if necessary. With these, it seems like there's a certain limit you hit. So regardless of which phone I was on or which device I was on, I would hit that limit. Basically, I could listen to them loud enough to the point where I'm starting to feel a little uncomfortable, but it still sounds good. Now my guess is that they maybe limited that volume level because maybe anything past that, they might start distorting or giving you, some faulty sound quality, which is totally cool. I'm totally okay with that. But I just wanted to make you guys aware that that's something that I've experienced. So the volume, I wish there was a little bit more of it. For 99% of people, it's not gonna be a problem. But as far as volume goes, for me personally, they don't get quite loud enough, but that's just my experience with them. All right, so let's answer the most important question. Do I recommend you the TaoTronics BH040 headphones? Absolutely, without a doubt. And if you're just looking for a good set of headphones that you can keep with you, maybe you don't want to take your super expensive headphones out and about with you when you're commuting and things like that. Set of cans like this for right around 50 bucks, perfect. They get the job done. You get your sound, you get your music, you get your noise canceling, all for a low price. It's not bad. Now, I'm not saying that these are better than, like your Soundcore Space or, your Bose Quiet Comforts or any of that sort of thing. That's not the case. But for under 50 bucks with noise canceling, these are definitely tough to beat. For me, I highly recommend them. I don't think you can go wrong with TaoTronics. So if you're in the market for a set of headphones like this for under 50 bucks, maybe you're on a tight budget, then you definitely want to add these TaoTronic headphones to your list. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this review right here. Let me know what you guys think of the TaoTronics headphones down in the comment section. You guys tried out their products before? I've heard a lot of good things about them, and I'm pretty impressed. Now, as always, if you guys like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you guys didn't like this video, go ahead and hit that dislike button. That's totally cool too. And if you haven't done so already, consider hitting that subscribe button along with that small notification bell. This way you never miss any of my weekly videos. Also, don't forget to check out the description where I left the discount for these. Discount code is only good through September 30th, 2018. So make sure you jump on that if you want to save a few bucks. Now, with all that being said, I hope everybody has a great week. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next video.